Last time on Super Smash Bros. DX, Sakurai put his best fighters to go find the orbs before anyone else gets them. And I guess a team up with Kirby. While everyone else was trying to find the orbs, Pit was somehow missing. He was fighting a shadow figure of Palutena, which he somehow couldn't defeat with one hit. What's also crazy, as Iggy and Kirby have met Link, but he was somehow talking, Iggy knew was something wrong, so he slashed his heart out, and his theory was correct. As it turned out to be a shadowy version of Toon Link, Iggy and Kirby stood no chance as the mysterious shadow version of Toon Link has somehow got the powers of Iggy. Crazy, right? But Kirby thought that he can absorb Iggy's sword to become Iggy himself to defeat Dark Toon Link. Boy, Kirby was so wrong as Link has decided to use his bomb trick. Now Iggy felt more pain than ever as he got shot by a fast arrow and couldn't even move his leg. As things couldn't get any worse, Terra from the Dark Dimension has opened a gateway or rift to other multiverses and brought the worst and the best, like him. Now who's gonna be on those rifts? Who will come out? Will they be good or evil? Well, let's find out on